This is Nonito Donaire Sr. You're watching PhilippineNews.com.
Lee, where's Freddie? Bring it out.
Kami kayo Tanaos TV ba? Tanaos TV. Ano siya daw gawin ba?
Marami tayong bills na i-final sa Senate. Nandun yung death penalty, yung handbook for OFWs, maternity leave. Marami tayong internet access from all the university in the Philippines. At saka marami pang iba.